Here's going to show you how to do a patient lookup. In the start here, the third section is going to be patient. If you type in the patient's information, such as, once you tab out and enter, this bar up top is going to show up, reminding you that there's a repeat patient. This will stay through the whole report. And as you see, as I click through, it's reminding me that there's a repeat patient to potentially save you time of entering, such as history, medications, and their contact info. You can look up the patient two ways. You can look in this blue, click this link here, or you can click this when it turns blue, the find repeat patient. Once I click that, it's going to search our system for the past 180 days of the patient. You will find the patient you want. This is the one we're looking for. You're going to want to hit the eyeball. This is going to look through and make sure that this is the information and the correct patient. You'll look up the patient's medication, their allergies, if they have any environmental allergies, what their past medical history is, and if they have any file attachments on them, such as a patient care plan. You'll import the data, and it will enter all the information that has been previously put on this patient. If you want to look up the patient and see what he's been run on for the past 90 days, you would come over here to your timeline, patient encounter. It's going to search back the last 90 days, and you can search by symptom, impression, dispatch reason. It'll give you a timeline and the dates that every time that this patient has been run on by another medic.